Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting challenge for you. Guess the animal from the zoomed-in image. We've zoomed in on 20 different animals, and your task is to guess what animal it is based on just the close-up shot. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the quiz. Let's start with the first animal. Look closely at this image. Any guesses? That's right, it's a lion. Next up, this mysterious eye belongs to a nocturnal creature. Got it? It's an owl. Now for something slimy. Can you guess this one? It's a frog. This black and white pattern is a big giveaway. Yes, it's a zebra. Bright colors and delicate wings. What could it be? Of course, it's a butterfly. Here's a giant. Look at this gray, wrinkly skin. You guessed it, an elephant. Now, this one's a farm favorite. Any ideas? It's a cow. This might be tricky, these wings belong to a creature of the night. It's a bat. This webbed foot should give it away. It's a duck. Now here's something fluffy. Which animal do you think it is? It's a rabbit. This strong tail and pouch should be a good clue. It's a kangaroo. These colorful feathers are unmistakable. That's right, it's a peacock. Here's a little critter with a bushy tail. You got it, it's a squirrel. Now, this striped fur is a major hint. Any guesses? It's a tiger. These claws and red body belong to a sea creature. That's right, it's a lobster. This tough skin and horn belong to an impressive animal. Yes, it's a rhinoceros. This sharp beak and intense eyes belong to a majestic bird. It's an eagle. These colorful feathers and long beak can only mean one thing. It's a toucan. This long neck and unique spots are a dead giveaway. You got it, it's a giraffe. And for the last one, this massive body and thick skin should help. It's a hippopotamus. And that's the end of our animal zoom quiz. How did you do? Were you able to guess them all, or did some animals surprise you? Let us know your score in the comments below, and don't forget to share this quiz with your friends. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the wild.